Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk deprovision Chrome devices in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. When you are working with Google Workspace, it's important to be careful about device management. Sometimes you don't need to manage a Chrome device or a group of them, so you need to remove those uncontrolled devices from Google Admin Console to prohibit any security threats. Google Admin Console does have the option, but it allows only limited devices to select at a time. xFanatical Foresight Automation tool allows thousands of Chrome devices to become deprovision at once. How to bulk deprovision Chrome devices in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Instruction. This process is divided into two parts. Part 1. Exporting Chromebooks in CSV list from Grade 1 organization unit. Part 2. Deprovision the Chrome devices via exported CSV files. Part 1 of the rule. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Chrome Devices action. You need to grant Foresight the required permissions to access the Google Workspace account. Set up the Columns field by keeping the default columns. In the Organizational Unit field, select Students Grade 2. Leave the remaining fields as they are. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name, click Create. Rule Triggering. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. The process may take a few seconds to complete. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the upper right corner. Click View Log to see the successful rule execution. Click on Click here to download the CSV file. Part 2 of the rule. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, select the Deprovision Chrome device action. Select the device ID and the deprovision reason as retiring device. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name, click Create. Rule Triggering. The rule is now created. Click the Upload icon to upload the CSV file again. Verifying results. Now, you will see a notification in the top right corner indicating the rule has run successfully. Click on View Log. Finally, you can observe the status of all devices has been changed to deprovisioned. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.